Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Elena. In today's video, we're going to be doing a holiday inspired makeup look. So this look is going to be perfect if you have any holiday events, if you're going to a Christmas party, if you want to wear it on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, New Year's Eve. This look is absolutely perfect. So I created this really nice gold and burgundy look that can go with so many different things. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, then make sure you keep on watching. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so you can be notified every time I post a video. And let's go ahead and jump right into this makeup look.
I just been balling out every season. No excuses, I left in the bleachers. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a four inside another.
Okay, so we're going to be creating a holiday inspired makeup look. You know, Christmas is coming, New Year's is coming. I'm sure you got Christmas parties and different things that you're going to be doing around this holiday season. So we're going to be creating a really glam look today that is going to be inspired around the holidays. So that's what we're going to be doing. I got my bonnet on. We're on chill right now, but we are about to glow up. We're about to get ready for this party, honey, and look good. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I went ahead and did my brows off camera because that is the boring part. We want to get into the eyes, the glam, the face, this beat, so we can be looking slayed for these holiday parties. So I just kind of skipped over that step. Okay, so the first palette I'm going to be going into is the California Love palette, and I'm just going to go into the shade The Bay, and I'm going to take that on a Colourpop E15, and I'm just going to blend that all in the crease. And this is just going to be my transition shade for this look. So the next shade I'm going to be going into is Maybe Later, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH32 brush. So who is excited for the holidays? I absolutely love this time of the season. I just love hearing the music, just the vibe, looking at all the Christmas lights and Christmas decorations. It is just everything. I just love the spirit of Christmas and just everyone being happy and enjoying family and stuff. It is just the best time ever. Now I'm going to go with the shade Bad Guy. I'm going to take that on a JH33 brush, and we're just going to apply that in the inner and the outer V. Now I'm going with the shade Mrs. Brightside, and I'm going to just apply that in the inner and outer crease as well. But we're just going to add a little bit and build it up. And I'm taking that on a JH37 brush. And then you just want to make sure you're rounding that shadow out. Okay, so I went ahead and did one eye off camera so I can come back on and do the other one for you guys. So the first thing I'm going to take is the Colourpop Jelly Much Shadow, and this is in a jelly form. And I'm going to use that to cut out the crease. So instead of using concealer, I actually like to use these Jelly Much eyeshadows because they are extremely pigmented and they just cut out the crease really nicely. And we're just going to go in. And look how pigmented that is. I absolutely love how these perform. I used one of these the other day and I knew I had to use one on camera because honestly, these are really slept on Colourpop. I don't hear many people talking about them and they are gorgeous. So now I'm just carving out my crease. So this is the shadow applied and I love it, but we definitely want to amp it up a little bit. So I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner. And this is the shade Midnight Cowboy, and we're going to apply that right on top. I would definitely say if you want an easy way to apply a glitter than a loose glitter and applying the glue on, then I highly recommend the Urban Decay Glitter Liners because they are just so pretty, and all you have to do is literally just apply it right from the tube and you can still get that glittery eyeshadow look. See how it tones down the look, but it still looks so pretty. We just have that gold as the base. And this look will go with so many outfits. This will go with red, with green, with black, white, gold, silver, anything. Like, this look will go with so many different like dress colors. So I was trying to do something that will go with a little bit of everything. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other wing liner and lashes off camera, and then I'll be back so we can do the base makeup. Okay, so I went ahead and did my lashes off camera, and if you're wondering what lashes I'm wearing, I'm actually wearing the Lilly lashes in Miami, and I feel like they go really great with this glam look. So now let's go ahead and jump right into the base, because this is important. We want our base to be looking flawless. We want to be hydrated because it is dry out here in these winter streets, and our skin definitely needs to be moisturized. So let's go ahead and get right into those steps. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Bobbi Brown face base. And honestly, I just love to use this to hydrate my face and to just act as a moisturizer. I think it is really perfect for that. It is definitely a very expensive product, but it smells amazing and it feels so great on the skin, and it definitely gets the job done. So I just love applying this under my makeup before I do primer and foundation. Okay, so that is the first step with hydrating our skin, but we're not done yet. We're gonna use a hydrating primer as well. So I'm gonna be going in with the Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer, which I love. This primer is definitely very hydrating. It makes your skin look very good, and I love how the foundation applies on top of this. And I'm just gonna take 2 pumps of that and just apply it all over my face, and this just feels so good on this skin. It literally just feels so moisturizing, especially on top of that Bobbi Brown. We want the foundation to just glide on top of our skin because we are going to a holiday event. We do not want to be looking crazy. We do not want people to be like, "Ooh, honey, your skin is dry, baby girl. You need some lotion." We don't want none of that, so we are definitely taking care of that from the get-go before we add our base on. Okay, so now we're going to go into foundation. So the foundation I'm going to be using is the Anastasia Luminous foundation. Like I said, I really want to have a luminous base just because it is in the winter and cold months. So I like to wear more of a hydrating foundation during this time just because I feel like it looks the best. It has your skin looking youthful and dewy, and it just looks overall so beautiful with a full glam. So I'm going to be using this foundation. If you're wondering what shade I'm in the shade 440C. Definitely make sure you check the description box. I have all the products linked if you're interested in purchasing any of them, or if you want to know what products I'm using, they're always in the description box. And I love this foundation because it is a really good match for me. Like, it is so spot on, and I just love how this foundation wears. It definitely lasts me all day, all night, and I love that because I'm not a person that likes to touch up my makeup. So I definitely need a foundation that's going to last, especially if you're going to an event, if you're going to a party. You do not have time to be touching up nothing but your lips. So I definitely don't want to have to worry about my face looking crazy or cracky or any of that. So I definitely swear by this foundation. And I just put a little bit of foundation on my forehead. You guys know I don't really like putting that much product around my forehead because it's just not necessary. Like, you just put a little bit to get the job done, but you definitely don't have to add as much as you do around the rest of your face. Now we're going in with the Pretty Fresh Hydrating Concealer, which I love. And I'm just applying that underneath my eyes, on my nose, right here, on my chin. And then I definitely like to just get right around the nose area. You definitely don't want to neglect this area right here. I'm also going to cream contour today, which I don't do on a normal basis, but we're going to a Christmas party, we're going to an event, we're going to a party, so we definitely want to be extra. We want to look glam, we want to look snatched, so we definitely need to cream contour. So I'm going to take the Uoma Beauty contour stick. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this because it is a little bit darker, just a smidge right there. I'm going to do a little bit underneath the jawline, Just so we can snatch that and a little bit underneath the chin area. So I'm going to blend out the concealer first. And then I'm going to blend out the cream contour. And now I'm just blending that out around my chin area and jawline. Now we're going in with the Hourglass loose setting powder. Then I'm going to take a big fluffy brush, doesn't matter what it is. I'm going to take the product that's left off my hand and that's in my little cup. And I'm just going to set my whole entire face with this powder. So you can go ahead and set that cream contour into place before we apply powder to it. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Maybe Later. And now I'm going to go in with the shade Mrs. Brightside. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Coco Naughty. So now I'm going to go in with my Soleil Body Highlighter in the shade Warm Gold, which is stunning. I love this highlighter. Look how gorgeous. If you want a popping highlighter, this is it, honey. Like, girl, we are finna be blinding everybody during the holidays. Like, I cannot get over how beautiful that is. Absolutely stunning. And then we'll add it on our Cupid's bow. So now I'm going to take this Buxom blush in the shade Goa, which is this really nice red shade. And you just want to add the littlest amount of this. It is so pigmented. I'm going to dust off my brush. You just want to build this shade up because it's so pigmented. Okay, so with this specific look, you literally can do so many different lip combinations with this. You can do a berry, we can do a red, we can do a nude, but I think I'm going to go with the red. So I'm going to take the KKW Beauty Nude 3 Lip Liner and line my lip. So now I'm going to go in with the Pop Beauty Liquid Lip in Red Velvet. Okay, so we're almost done. So let me go ahead and do my hair and throw on a different outfit. And then I'll be right back so you guys can see the overall finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. And you guys, I love how this holiday inspired makeup look came out. It is so glam, so pretty. I'm loving the burgundy with the gold, and I love the red lip. I just think it overall is so beautiful. As well as, if you have made it to the end of this video, I am going to be giving away a beauty box. So all you have to do is make sure you have your post notifications turned on, as well as you are subscribed, and leave a comment below letting me know what you're going to be doing this holiday season, what you're going to be doing during Christmas, if you have any events you're going to, if you're going to be hanging out with your family. Let me know down below, and I'll be choosing a random person to win a beauty box. And I will be doing this on all of my uploads that I do for the rest of the year, as well as if you don't follow me on Instagram, I will be doing the same on Instagram as well. So definitely head over there and follow me and turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video or a picture. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.